Okay, class, I've checked, I've marked your work in self-practice, yeah, 1.1a and 1.1b. There are a few questions that you have done very well. You grab the concept of direct variation, but then there are a few steps on indices, your index operations, and some algebraic equation that you made some mistakes, yeah. So I'd like to help you, and we go through it again on few steps, few crucial steps that you have to remember to do it perfect, because if not you'll lose some marks, especially the answers. Okay, so let's see what can I help you. Okay, question 3. It is given that P equal to 32, Q is 4. Express P in the term of Q if, okay, P varies directly as Q. P varies directly as Q cube. So express P in the term of Q is this one. You have to P equal K Q cube, and you have to find what is your K. So you change it into P equal K Q cube, and then you substitute your P 32, your K you write back, your Q is 4, yeah, 4 cube, yeah. So K is actually 32 over 4 cube. So this one you can do it in one step using the calculator. So you press 3 2, yeah, 3 2 divide, yeah, this one done, this one done. So 4 cube, how to do 4 cube? You press 4 and then you shift this one, because this is the cube, right? You press this button, so you'll get, and then you press equal sign, you'll get 0.5, yeah. So after that you just substitute into this equation. So you express P in the term of Q, 0.5 Q cube. So this is the answer. Okay, now we go to 3b. So the same, given P and Q, and then you have to express P in terms of Q. So P varies directly as the square root of Q. So change into equation equal K square root of Q. So now your K, what is your K? Can you take your K as this one from here? Here your K is P equals 0.5 Q cube. Your K is 0.5. Can we use it 0.5 here into here? Now of course cannot, because you have a different set of question here. So you have to find your K first, yeah, using your P and your Q given, yeah. So your P is 32, K you want to find, so this one is 4, your Q is 4. So K is 32 over square root of 4, and square root of 4, this one, please don't use the calculator. This one is very easy, very simple. The answer is 2. So 32 divided by 2, your K is 16. Okay, so when your K is 16, you just substitute it back to here. Okay, so what you get is P equal 16 square root of Q. So this is the answer, yeah. Okay class, so question 6, you're given S varies directly as T power 1 over 3, s is this one, t is 27, and then you have to calculate s when t is 64. So what you do first is you write this one s varies directly as t 1 over 3, yeah, 1 over 3. So you change into s equal k t over 1 over 3. So this information s and t help you to find your k. So you substitute 1 over 0.2 k, this one is 27, 1 power 1 over 3. Okay, so what is the meaning of 27 power 1 over 3? Okay, this one is actually the cube root of 27, and you can find this in your calculator. Cube root is you press shift and this one. Over here the small brown color, yeah. Okay, 27 1 over 3, you can also use this one, yeah, this one meaning power. But if it is 1 over 3 or 1 over 2, that means this one is square, this one is cube root, you just use this button, yeah, but press the shift. But this one no need to press the shift lah. Okay, if it is like 27 power 1 over 4, then use this one. But if only number 2 or 3, you just use this button, yeah. Use how I'm telling you how to use the calculator effectively. Okay, so k equal 1 over 2 divided by cube root of 27. This one you can do in one step. One step using the calculator. You will get k equals 0.4. Okay, when k is 0.4, you substitute it 0.4 here, t 1 over 3. So with that, you now can find your s, yeah? Can find your s. So s equal 0.4 times your t is 64. 64 power 1 over 3, and it is actually the cube root, yeah, cube root. So s equal 0.4 cube root of 64, yeah, times. So this one also you can get in one step. Your answer is s is 1.6. Okay. Okay, next for b, for 6b, how you have to find your t. So your equation just now is s equal 0.4 t 1 over 3. Okay, so when your s is 0.28, so this one you have to find your t, yeah? Okay, so what you do first is your t 1 over 3 is 0.28 divided by 0.4, yeah, and then you get t 1 over 3 is this one. Use your calculator, you'll get 0.7, yeah, 0.7. Now you want to find your t. So what do you do to this one? Yeah, so you have to power it with 3. Power it with 3 so that this one cancel, become t power 1. So here also you have to power 3. Yeah, power 3. So this one you can use your calculator. Yeah, use your calculator. Power 3 is where? Shift here. So you will get 0.343. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, number 2. This one question 1.1 sub practice 1.1b. Okay, calculate the constant k for each of the following. Okay, we do A first. P varies directly as q cube and r power 1 over 3. So given P, Q, R, so you have to find what is your K. So you change it into equation K, Q, cube, R 1 over 3. So now what you do is just substitute all this. Substitute 5.184 equal K 1.2 power 3. R is 216 power 1 over 3. So what do? You do this part first. Yeah, use your calculator. So you'll get this one 1.2 power 3. Power 3. So you press this shift and then press this one. Yeah, you 1.2 and then shift, press this one. Then you times with before you press 216, you shift. Yeah, you shift this one, and then 1 power 3 is actually the cube root. So you use this button. You press shift this button, then you press the 216, enter. So what you'll get is 10.368. So now your K is, use your calculator, divide this one. So you'll get your K equal 0.5. Okay. So answer already that one. So next, okay, we go to 2b. P varies directly as Q, R, and the square of S. So P equal K, Q, R, S square. Given here all the variables given are P, Q, R, and S. So you just substitute it inside the variable. So P is 1 over 3, Q is 1 over 5, your R is 3 over 2, and your S is 1 over 3 square. So how you do this? It's better you do this part first. This one. You solve this one. Yeah. So K 1 over 5, 3 over 2. This one is 1 over 9. Yeah. 1 over 9. So what you do? This one you multiply everything here. 1 times 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 2 times 9 is 10 times 9 is 90. Okay, so 1 over 3 equal K times 3 over 90. Okay, 3 over 90. So you can find your K. K equal, use your calculator, 1 over 3 divide by 3 over 90. So finally your K, I have to write it here, your K is 10. Your K is 10. So that's the answers lah, all the steps that you have to do step by step. Yeah. So I hope it helps you.